Welcome back to the Playing Hard YouTube channel. There's lots of videos out there on how to clean the glass for your wood stove or coal stove. And I know a lot of people say, well, just take some wet newspaper and dab it in the ashes and then wipe it on the glass. And that'll clean it out pretty good. Well, to me, that's like putting a pumice stone on your glass. That would really scratch it. So I'm going to show you what I do. I bought this stuff called Alice, and I'll put a link in the description down on the page there. This stuff's really good. I mean, I was always a simple green guy, but this is a whole lot better, I think. So I've swept off the door, and now I'm just going to spray the Alice on it. And let that sit for a minute. And then I've got a utility knife blade. Single blade. I mean, that's what I've been using all along. Now watch this. Watch what it does. Takes that muck right off. And sometimes it takes twice. But boy, you don't want to get this stuff on your clothes. Boy, that would make a mess. Probably ruin your pants or your shirt. This is how I do it. And you'll see here in just a minute how that changes everything. Now I do an initial wipe down like this, and then I come back with just regular Windex at this point. Soak it down again, and then I go over it once again with the same razor blade, and it knocks all this mung right off. I mean, it's not perfect either, but it's certainly a whole lot easier on the glass than running ash over it. At least I think it is. I think it's better for the glass, too. All right, there we are. And we got that wiped down. Spray it down once more time, and we'll wipe it off. And there you go. Nice, easy, and safe for your stove. Okay, well, if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll send you some more stuff. Go back and look at my my videos on how to burn coal, because that's normally what I do in the winter. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.